Dissolving salt and evaporating water. Ever wondered why salt dissolves in water? What about if you evaporate salt water? Why is there salt left behind? Keep watching to find out. Salt is an ionic compound. It is made up of sodium ions, which is metal, and chloride ions, which are non-metal. When grains of salt are placed into the water, it will stay as grains for a little while. If you start to stir the water, the atoms that make up the grains of salt start to drift apart from each other, separating so they individually float in the water. When heat is added to the now salt water, the water will begin to evaporate. The salt particles are too heavy to be evaporated into a gas like the water, hence why they are left behind. Salt, or sodium chloride, is comprised of sodium and chlorine to create an ionic bond. Sodium, which is Na, on the periodic table has a positive charge, where chloride which is Cl on the periodic table, has a negative charge. These attract to stay together as sodium is a metal and chloride is a non-metal. Therefore, that is why they are called ionic. A positive and a negative charge, the sodium and chloride attract and bond to stay together. It is also known as H2O. It comprises of one oxygen to two hydrogens. The hydrogen attracts to the chloride in salt, separating it from the sodium, and the oxygen is attracted to the sodium. Therefore, the chloride and the sodium are separated, leaving them to float around what seems to be in the water.